Lala's Sweet World.
Isn't that so fun? Hey everybody, welcome back to my sweet shop. I was just telling my donut friend over here all about the really cool science experiment we're going to do today. It has to do with a funny word called blubber. Can you say that? Blubber. What is blubber? Well, do you remember that whale that we were talking about that swallowed up Jonah? That whale has something called blubber underneath his skin, and it makes sure that he doesn't get too cold in the ocean water, because the deeper you go in the ocean, the colder it gets. So God designed a whale to have blubber in it so that it doesn't get too cold. Would you like to do this science experiment with me today? If you'd like to do this science experiment at home, here's what you'll need. You'll need 2 bowls, one with ice and one with water, 2 gallon-sized Ziploc bags, some shortening, and some spoons. And you'll also need an adult's help. Let's get started. First, we're going to take one of our Ziploc bags, open it up, and we are going to fill it with our shortening. This is going to act like our blubber, which is fat. Here we go. Okay, now we're going to take our other Ziploc bag, and this is going to protect our hand because in a minute our hand is going to go into the ice cold water. So we're going to take our Ziploc and put it inside of the other Ziploc with the shortening around our hand. So I'm moving the shortening around so it is covering my hand. And I think I'm going to put a little bit more shortening on top of the other Ziploc in there. Now, the shortening is acting like our blubber, which is fat underneath the whale's skin that helps keep the whale warm in cold water. Now we need to roll the sides of our Ziploc down, and it's going to look like this. Now if you see inside, our hand's going to go in here, and the shortening is all around it, which is going to help keep our hand warm in the cold water. Okay, now the next step is we have to take our bowl of water and our bowl of ice and add them together to make ice water. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to see how cold it is. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that is cold. Let me try it again. Ooh, that is too cold. But never fear. Remember, we just made our protective layer of fat to help keep our hand warm in the cold water. Are you ready to try this? Okay, here's my hand inside the Ziploc bag with my shortening around it. Now I'm going to take it and put my hand in the water. Oh, I barely feel anything. My hand is staying warm. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. Oh, how neat is that? That was so cool. This fat kept my hand warm in the cold water. Isn't it so amazing that God created whales with blubber, which is fat, under their skin to help keep them warm in the cold ocean? God is so amazing. I'm so glad that we got to learn all about that funny word today. What was it? Blubber! That's right. The fat that's underneath a whale's skin to keep him warm. I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. Now let's explore God's sweet world together. For more fun, ask a grown-up to subscribe.